In today's tutorial, we'll be going over the Koalendar scheduling platform. A lot of our clients tend to use Koalendar, so today I wanted to take you through how easy, simple, and user-friendly the Koalendar scheduler is. Before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Just a quick reminder that before we begin, this is not a sponsored video. My favorite features that Koalendar offers in their free plan, which is great for startups and small businesses beginning their email marketing journey, include unlimited bookings, unlimited event types, unlimited scheduling links, sync with Google, Outlook, or iCloud calendars, and of course, the most important, instant booking notifications. My other favorite thing about Koalendar is when you upgrade to their pro account for features like accepting payments, it's only $6.99 per seat per month. And before we get into this quick tutorial, I have a fun Koalendar hack you don't want to miss at the end of this video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how easy and simple it is to navigate the platform. So you're going to head to koalendar.com, and if you don't have an account yet, you're going to create one. And you can create one for free by clicking on the indigo Get Koalendar Free button with an arrow in the top right. Since I already have a Koalendar account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. I have attached my Google account. However, if you haven't, you're going to want to type your information directly into this bar. Once you're logged in, you will see a dashboard that looks like this. And on occasion, Koalendar will ask for two-factor authentication. It'll send you a link or a code to your email address that you signed up with. So once you're in the platform, you'll see the dashboard right away. You'll notice that I have a few calendar bookings. 2 of them are for Velvet VA, 1 is for business coaching and strategy sessions, and 2 are for friend hangouts and new friends that I get to meet along the way. In each of these bookings, you'll notice a few icons right below the title. For example, with this Velvet VA consultation, you can clearly see that it's a 30-minute consultation via phone call. Under this initial Velvet VA strategy session, you can see that the timing selected is 1 hour. The third booking I have under Koalendar is called Business Coaching and Strategy Session. You can see that there have been 18 bookings, and the options are 30 minutes and 1 hour. To create a new booking, it's simple. Click the New Booking Page option. You'll be met with this page. It may already have an image for you if you have uploaded an image. If not, you'll likely see some kind of icon here. You can change the title right here for your booking. You can change your image by clicking Change right under the image option. You can change the color, and you can change the language. One of the most important factors would be changing the description. This is where you would write something to let your clients or let the other person know what kind of a booking this is. Are they booking an acupuncture session? Are they booking a coaching session? Is it a consultation? And for how long? One of the things you'll notice with the free plan is you are slightly limited to some of the free plan options that they have. But again, their free options are quite robust. So once you're done with filling out your main booking information, as you scroll down, you'll notice that there are options for duration. You can click Edit and edit the duration. You can add multiple durations like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, and 2 hours. Any customized durations require the Pro plan. For the pricing, it is free and it's always free. So if you're working with the free plan, you'll likely want a separate booking page, or you'll want to receive e-transfers or Zelle transfers into your account from your clients if you're working directly with clients. If you'd like pricing to be included and for clients to be able to pay for their appointments up front, that would be under the Pro plan. If you're seeing different prices, I just want to add a quick disclaimer that I'm filming this from Canada. We are a Canadian-based business, and so you may see Canadian pricing here. And you'll see this option for availability. This is where you can go in and add all of your availability, whether you're available every day, Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday, or you'd like to customize your availability. For example, I don't work Mondays, so I would typically start with Tuesdays, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And it's the same for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is usually a little bit less. And as you scroll down, you'll notice a few more setting options. You can change the booking form and what kind of questions that the other party fills out in order to book a call with you, notifications, and after booking. Now, because I already have a few bookings created, I'm not going to publish this booking page. However, when you're starting out, hopefully this was a really great and quick tutorial for you. Now let's get into editing your bookings. And this is one of my favorite parts because it is honestly so easy and user-friendly. When you'd like to edit a booking, you can click anywhere on this bar. You can see it highlighted by the shadow. You can press the title or the three dots, then edit to access the booking, to edit the booking. Now, to edit any of this information where there's a title, my photo, or even where it says 15-minute complimentary consultation, you click anywhere in this section right here, or you click the little edit icon. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to edit your availability here. You can edit the duration here. And even though my consultations are 15 minutes, I'm not able to add 15-minute consultations because that falls under the custom category, which is part of their pro plan. But this honestly kind of works in my favor. If you're like me and prefer breaks between each session, this gives you a nice break and also ensures that if your call does go a little bit over, you're not interfering on any of the other bookings coming up. One of my favorite parts about the availability feature is that you can set breaks and buffers within your meeting time. Always remember to check the minimum booking notice because this one time I had it set to like 30 minutes before or 1 hour before, and someone ended up booking with me. So when you're first starting out with Koalendar, these are nice things to remember and kind of keep in your back pocket. But that's pretty much it. Going through and editing your bookings is quite simple, straightforward, and easy with Koalendar. Now the hack I promised you, and I promise this is so worth it, especially if you are a startup business or a small business. Maybe you don't have funds coming in yet. Maybe you just had this idea last night and you're like, oh my gosh, I really need a free strategy for people to be able to book calls with me. This is a great way to make sales. It's a great way to have conversations, discovery calls, meet new people, network, and so much more. So when someone books a session with you, I'm actually going to go and book one to show you exactly how it works. So I'm going to book a session with myself to book for the 28th. So that booking is now complete. When you open up Zoom, if you're using Zoom, it is going to show up in your Zoom meetings. There it is. This is the meeting that I just set up between myself and myself. Now this hack honestly seems so silly and so easy, but it took me forever to figure out that this was possible. If you're like me and you're having Zoom calls with your meetings, you're definitely going to want to use this hack. Prior to this, I was creating a separate Zoom meeting for the same call and then copying and pasting the Zoom link information. So I'm going to tell you and show you how to do this for free right now, because when you're in the Koalendar platform, You'll quickly notice that if you want people to be able to book a Zoom call with you, that is paid. For some reason, Google Meet is free. There's also in-person and custom. So for this hack, you're going to open up Zoom. You're going to open up your calendar invite that the client has just booked with you. And if you're not working with clients, disregard that and, whoever is booking with you. And you're going to go edit. See this little tiny button right beside the video that says offline? You are going to click the drop down and select Zoom meeting, and then you're going to press save. This automatically shifts your meeting into a Zoom meeting, providing a full link along with the reschedule and cancel information from Koalendar. I hope you found this tutorial with Koalendar amazing and easy and user-friendly, and I hope you saw truly how easy it is to work within Koalendar. So if you end up working with Koalendar, let me know how you like it and comment down below. Let me know if you found this video helpful, if you love Koalendar, or if this was a total aha moment for you and you were looking for a scheduler just like this. See you in the next video.